How y'all doing? I know times are tough right now, so I'm gonna make homemade chicken noodle soup today. And you can I'm making a big batch of it because you can put this in the freezer and it'll save for 6 months. And that might be when we're coming out of this. So, hang on, let's start cooking. I've got 4 chicken breasts in here. That's what I had in the freezer. This is kind of a pantry, let's use what we have, chicken noodle soup. So we got 4 chicken breasts. I'm going to cook those up and then I'm going to shred those. I've got 1 onion. I got some celery. And then I'm going to use all the carrots. Put everything in pressure cooker, which is like an Instapot, folks. I use this instead of all the other ingredients because it has the oregano and it has the thyme and it has all the other ingredients, the garlic, the whole 9 yards. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of this in my pot. And then I've got some chicken broth, and I only have this 1 thing of chicken broth. You can add water, it's not going to hurt anything. And I've got a bag of extra wide noodles. And sorry about that, 2 bay leaves. And y'all know you put these in there for taste. You don't eat these. I mean, you can if you want to, but they don't taste very good. Y'all, I haven't done this in such a long time. I forgot to put my apron on. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to pour a 1/2 cup of water in with the chicken. Setting on the pot that says chicken and meat. Bam. 15 minutes. Okay? They are frozen. So, from frozen to cooked, 15 minutes. Alrighty? Make sure your little knobby thing is turned in the right direction. And try to chop up your veggies about the same size. That just makes it easier for them to cook. Okay? Now most people probably just dump all this into the pot all at one time. I don't do mine like that. As soon as the chicken is cooked, I will take the chicken out, and while it's cooling, I'll put the vegetables in there and let them cook. There's a setting on here for the vegetables. It takes like 2 minutes. And we'll have all the vegetables cooked. I'll take those out. I know. But it's really good, I promise you. And then I'll put the noodles in. Whoops, sorry about that. I'll put the noodles in and let them cook because I don't like my noodles mushy. And it says in the recipe to use a 12-ounce bag. This is a 16-ounce. I'm just going to use the whole bag. I'm going to finish chopping up the vegetables. I'll be right back. Onion, the celery, and the carrots are chopped. I have 2 cups of carrots sliced. I have about 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 cups of celery because I needed to use all of these vegetables. I didn't want them to go bad. And out here in the desert, vegetables go bad quickly. And 1 small onion, or medium onion actually. We're waiting on the chicken. 6 more minutes. The chicken is finished. There's the chicken. Now, I'm going to leave this liquid in here, and I'm going to put my veggies in there. Oh, let's not waste none of this onion. Okay. There we go. We're around a little bit. That's just enough. Still about a 1/2 cup of water in there. So that's good to go. Alright. Lid back on. Little knob is right. And there is a setting here for vegetables. Whoop, let's put cancel. Now veggies. 2 minutes. We'll let those cook. While that's happening, I will shred the chicken. Yep, shred the chicken. This is a great meal to make. It's not that expensive. Believe it or not, in this time, everything being out of whack with this virus, it's one of those meals that takes just a little bit of stuff and makes a lot. It's awesome. Sorry, I got a little distracted. We had some friends come over, but they've been keeping their distance, and they're in an RV, and of course, you know, there's no place to go. So they came back over here. So we welcomed them over here. Of course, nobody touched anybody. But we just, you know, I mean, people got to go somewhere. But as I was saying, this recipe is one of those recipes that goes a long ways. So if you have a lot of people to feed, then this is one of those recipes that's very easy to double it. And then, hey, if you didn't have chicken, you could do beef. You could do steak. Use whatever you have. It's funny because all the canned goods are gone in the grocery store. But the veggies, there's plenty of veggies, which is strange. But anyway, if you had to, you could do this with canned vegetables. So, you know, the same principles apply. Of course, if I were you, I wouldn't do them for very long in the pot. I would just add those at the end, because most of those are cooked. You know, they've already been pressure cooked to be in the cans. Okay, there's the chicken. That's going to make a huge pot. I'm glad. Then I can put some in the freezer. Okay, we got that. The veggies are done. Let's get those out. Okay, the vegetables are perfect. That's awesome. I'll take them out and put them in the bowl with the chicken. Smells so good. Boy, somebody's got to come up with that invention of smell-o-vision. Oh my goodness gracious. The reason I'm taking them out is because I don't want my veggies mushy. I'm going to put the noodles in there. Yes, I'm going to use the whole bag. And I'll wipe the can off, okay? Okay, and I'm going to put some water in there. Okay, I got about a half a can more. It's water. I think I need some more actually, because the noodles will swell. And if it doesn't have that chicken flavor like you want, put a bouillon cube in it. Chicken bouillon. I think I have one back there. I might put one of those in there. Ended up with a whole can. Yeah, that's more like it. You see, covered the noodles because they're going to swell up. I have to get some more of those if I can find them. I think I'm going to use 2. Put it in there. I got one left. Oh boy. 5 minutes. There we go. That's what I want. Okay. And that will start. Alright. See you in a bit. I'm going to do 3 teaspoons of Mrs. Dash. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Stir that around a bit. Let's put the veggies in. Woo! And the chicken. Oh, that is one full pot. How pretty that is. Oh my. Add some salt and pepper to taste. And our bay leaves. I'm going to let this simmer. That's going to be mighty fine. I wish y'all could smell it. Alright, we're going to let Mr. Childers taste it here in a little bit.
Homemade, for sure?
For sure.
Yes,
I didn't make the noodles.
Well, yeah, you got to buy some stuff. You know, it's kind of homemade.
Yes.
Vegetables and carrots and
Yeah.
And the chicken we had. It smells real good.
I told him I had to use the vegetables because I didn't want them to go bad.
It's got a little bit of onion in it. Perfect.
Yes.
It's nice and hot too. Woo. The carrots are perfect. Well, y'all, I say it. It's really good.
Yeah.
A little bit of chicken there. Got some noodles. Noodles are just right. Noodles are good.
That's right.
Better than anything from the can.
Aha.
This is really good. Man.
So I deserve a thumbs up.
Thumbs up, Mama.
All right.
Very good.
Talk to y'all soon.
Have a good one, guys. I'll enjoy this for you.